My name is Jim Sholhammer. I've always had a strong interest in history and archaeology, and I became an engineer and worked through Silicon Valley in America. I thought it would be fun to follow my passion of what archaeology was about. I've never done this before. This is my first dig. I was a bit worried because it's hard work. It's really hard work, but the camaraderie and the people, it's a lot of fun, and when you find something, it's really great. It's been an interesting journey, kind of a unique opportunity to take a break at the beginning of the year. The SWAD internet site makes you kind of excited for what they're finding and what's going on and how things are going. The emotions come from the very first few days. It was really cold. Everyone was hunkered down from the cold. And then we had great nights out, with dinner and the museums and so on. But the town was wonderful too. The people were so sweet and warm and wonderful. We all get more energy by the end of the day. We start out low and then we work our way up. And then by the end of the day, we have energy, and then we have people from all over the world. We have all these cultures coming together that create this unique energy. By the end of the day, everyone is picking each other up. And so we formed lots of different special bonds. So it was really fun, yeah. Absolutely recommendable. It's an experience that you will never find anywhere else. So it's absolutely an experience that everyone should have.